Building our station around you. This is 16 WAPT News This Morning, named Best Newscast in the States by the Associated Press.
This is just an illusion, okay? But one thing that's not illusion is the great results you get from advertising in the Real Yellow pages from Bell South. We help you tear up ineffective advertising plans. The Real Yellow pages can bring you a steady stream of new customers who spend 24% more and make a purchase 90% of the time. The combined reach of the Real Yellow pages and realpages.com help you connect with more of your potential customers at the most important time, right before they make their buying decision. At the Real Yellow pages, we bring it all together, just like magic.
How did you do that?
It's the magic of the Real Yellow pages. That's how we do that.
That was good. That was good. Morning, we're learning about business marketing in a new and exciting way. We have corporate magician Lee Lentz here to share some information about the Montgomery Business Expo 2005. And this morning, he's going to show us how magic can be used to drive home a message from companies to consumers.
Well, let me show you a quick little preview of what's going to be going on at the booth today.
Okay.
We have something very valuable in my wallet today. So I want you to watch this, and I'll show it to you. Something very valuable.
Oh, my goodness. That is hot.
Well, you know, did I tell you we're really hot at the Bell South Real Yellow pages?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm looking in here. Let me see. I see some cash, some credit cards. I'm looking at something very valuable.
Okay.
Here we go. Right here. We have here, now these are some display ads that I've cut out of the Bell South Real Yellow pages.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do a little counting today. Okay. Me and you. Now we're only going to 5. So
okay. We have about a minute left.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Now watch this.
Okay.
There's 1. I'll count out loud.
2, 3, 4,
and 5. Okay.
Right.
Now,
I saw that.
We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To me and you, these look just like regular display ads that I've cut out.
That's right.
But for the companies that advertise with Bell South and Real Yellow pages, it means money in the bank.
How did you do
Did you see
that?
it? Check it out. There's 100, 200, 300, 400. There we go. Now watch her. Check that.
That is really, really neat.
I'm going to tell you a story about our founder, Mr. Jim Damon. And Mr. Damon started out with nothing. No buildings, no equipment, no employees. Nothing but a passion to serve people. You could say he started with a blank page. But then he was convinced that direct mail was the most effective way to get more listings. But back then, it was expensive and time-consuming. One night in 1986, something really special happened yesterday. He sat in his living room with one piece of paper and sketched out an idea. It revolutionized real estate marketing. He came up with a way to make direct mail simple for brokers and agents. Mr. Damon knew he had to get the word out. So we started to have a booth at bar, right? We've been here ever since. Today, Mr. Damon's son, Steve Damon, leads the company. Our success is due to the support of brokers and agents all over the U.S. We want to say thank you for the last 30 years, and we're looking forward to the next 30.
Now, the cut and restored rope is considered a classic in magic. The classics have been around for years, and you can always count on them. Just like SAS. So watch this. SAS has been helping companies turn data into knowledge for about 125 years. That's a long time, isn't it? Well, that's why we're using a long rope tonight. But I'm going to find, about the middle of the rope. Does that look like about the middle? That's about good. Now let me have your end. I'm going to mark the middle right here. Okay. Now at SAS, we're on the cutting edge of technology. And we help you cut out unnecessary spin. Then what we do is we tie it all together with software that gives you the knowledge you need to make profitable decisions. Now watch, keep your eye right there. And that's the magic of SAS.
Wow.
When you're using the system,
Your audience sees a confident, engaging speaker. What they don't see is a powerful stealth technology guiding every word at your pace exactly as you intend. Well, thanks for watching. And remember, speaking from your heart doesn't always mean speaking from memory.